Can you see me? It's so dark. Anyways, I just wanted to say that the video for your dad's birthday was so awesome. You look like you're having so much fun, and the song is so beautiful, and aw, you're getting really good at this video thing, Celeste. Anyways, I love you very much, and I hope you get this soon. Tomorrow I leave for Ontario, and I'm very excited, and I so need a break away from work, and everything's happening all perfectly and on time, and I am just excited beyond belief about this trip. There's going to be so many wonderful things that are going to happen, and I'm really excited about seeing my dad, although he's in a little bit of a broken form right now, but it'll still be really good to be able to spend some time with him. And anyways, I love you very much, and I will keep in touch on my travels. Bye for now.